Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am back with another unboxing. Today I have a truck from Hotwheels Monster Trucks. It is from the Blizzard Bashers series, the second wave from the 2019 series. It is the Rodger Dodger. Unfortunately, that was the only one that they had when I went to Walmart today. But that's right. I mean, it's better than nothing. Still looks pretty cool anyway. But hopefully at some point I will find the other four, which is Abysmal, Skeleton Crew, Bone Shaker, and Smash Squatch. But for now I got Rodger Dodger. I mean, hey, at least I got one of the Blizzard Bashers, right? Anyway, let's unbox it and take a closer look. First we have the Connecting Crash Car. Last time they came with those snap-on flags, but now they come with the cars. And here is Rodger Dodger. Very cool. It's actually based off of the original design, the blue one with flames, but this time they put flames on the side panels, and they wrapped it around the grill here. That's nice. But on the original one, it just had like flames on the top. But this time they made the truck look more detailed. I like these new blue rims that they gave it, and the transparent rims are pretty nice as well. And if you look closely, I don't know if the camera will focus on it, but you can see like the mechanics of like the axle connectors. But that's really cool. This new white chassis is nice, and the roll cage is cool. Yeah, definitely an awesome truck. And I plan on doing a Christmas edition sign-up series. Later today I will create the sign-ups video for that. And yeah, so that was the unboxing of the Blizzard Bashers Rodger Dodger. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Ring the bell for notifications, and I will see you guys next time.